We are always privileged to have you here. So you are very welcome, sir.
And I love the people from Unakoti side. Ranglong, Darlong, Chorais, Riangs. I think we are all brothers and sisters, and we need to be together, because if we are not together, we will be weak. But if we are together, we'll be much more stronger.
Yes, yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Please come.
Welcome, sir. Thank you. Go ahead.